In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block customers on Shopify easily and effectively. Whether you're dealing with suspicious orders, repeated chargebacks, or you simply want to protect your store from fraudulent activity, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you keep your business running smoothly. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're logged in to the correct store. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner and click on the option labeled Settings. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options that help keep your store secure. Next, inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. You'll see several options that help you manage third-party tools and extra features connected to your Shopify store. This area is especially useful when you want more control over customer behavior and order activity. Follow the on-screen layout as it appears. Everything is clearly organized so it's easy to navigate. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have permission to install apps on your store, check that your Shopify subscription is active, and keep a clear idea of what type of activity you want to block. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary mistakes later on. Once you're inside Apps and Sales Channels, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Fraud Filter and review the available apps. Choose one that fits your needs, has strong reviews, and offers the features you want. After selecting the app, click Install and approve the required permissions to continue. After installation, open the app and configure your blocking rules based on email addresses, IP locations, order patterns, or other risk indicators. Once that's done, you should be able to automatically block unwanted or risky customers without interruptions. It's also a good idea to test your rules and review blocked orders occasionally. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps legitimate customers safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to block customers on Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same challenge. Why not make someone's day easier?